Viewers all over the world, I welcome you all into this section of philosophy and life. We have with us here an ordinary evangelist, so you are highly welcome. Please introduce yourself.
Yeah, my name's Ogwefi Eze-Ana Ugochi Tubelu Norifite. Abụ m onye isi nchụaja na Ugochi Tubelu na temple. Anyị na-agba afa mmiri ọwụrụ ọrụ mmụọ dị iche iche. Abụkwazị m onye isi nchụaja na ọdịnala Restoration Evangelical Mission. Bụrụ onye mgbasa ozi ọdịnala Igbo. So you can call me a priest or ọdịnala evangelist. I will answer. My mission is to help people live better life. Thank you.
So, sir, before we proceed with today's question, is there anything else we wish to say to our viewers?
Yeah, viewers all over the world. I'm only under the influence of my voice. Please keep sharing our messages. Keep telling people about our administrations.
So, don't you think you may face challenges convincing some ordinary practitioners that what you are doing is not the same as Christianity?
Thank you for that wonderful question. But let me remind you, our mission is not limited to ordinary adherents. No. Our mission is to Umibo and in Africa. So for general public. So our mission is for ihe ọbụla na-ekume mmadụ ọbụla dị ndụ na ndị dị ndụ. It's not limited to ndị ọdịnala. However, ndị ọdịnala ị na-refer to bụ dependent n'ebe onye mmadebere. Enwere ihe dịka Christian method ma ọ bụ ọdịnala method. What is constant is change. I can tell you without missing words that when Danyari first came to this Africa, they used to build old pattern houses. In fact, I was even told that some parishes started under mud houses and the Unata. It's as civilization keep progressing. However, the lower modern times, are you not seeing those ancient churches here in the olden days? Is it the same pattern they are doing now? So things keep revolving. What is constant is remain constant change. So even Christianity you are referring, modern houses they are building today, is it the ones they are building when they really came? It's modern technology. So Igbo spirituality will not remain the same. Even the attire they are wearing those days, what they are wearing today is more beautiful. So it's not all about everything have to be changed. Even Christianity, some people are so backward because they expect our forefathers, our present day people, ordinary practitioners, to still living in outdated houses, which is no longer suiting the modern day reality. So nothing like copying, even book writers. Those old written books was written in American English. You can't even be able to read them. Those thou and all those things. But they have modern English that is so simple to read. So are you now saying that book writers should continue all those using old format? The way we address letter today is no longer the way it used to be in olden days. So who is emulating who? What I can tell you that when you hear a copy, it's modern reality that determines the things are gonna add up. Even in dishes, the way we cook food nowadays, adding spices, is it the way they cook food during the time of our forefathers? Is it the same thing? What are they talking about? The way we sew clothes today is different from olden days. So what I'm telling you, I'm a reformer. I believe in a system and the way of worship. No way of worship is cast on stone. So we believe that we keep on updating. Whatever we see that is no longer possible, we remove it. The same thing, that is why even in laws, it's still subject to amendment. So the mode of operandi of ordinary worshiping should be changing from time to time to suit modern day reality. So we are not copying anybody. Thank you.
Considering that many within Ordinala don't fully understand the importance of giving for propagation, unlike in Christianity, don't you think it might be difficult to get support from them?
Yeah, our mission is not limited to ordinary people. The mindset of newly converted people to ordinary is wrong. So we are trying to rebuild it and integrate them, reorient them, for them to know, understand that now during the time of our forefathers, nothing is even free. Even in Freetown, nothing is free. Nothing is free in creation. Let me give you an example. We don't understand that Chukwu okike ihe niile n'ụwa wee nye mmadụ for free ka o biri n'elu ụwa. Mana ụfọdụ ihe abụrụ free. Chukwu okike that, okay, let me give you an example. Do breathe in. You receive from the mercy of God. From the mercy of Chukwu, you breathe in. You breathe in oxygen. And for you to continually receiving, you must give out carbon dioxide. Then for plants and other creatures to absorb them. Then you take again. So nothing is free. If you are giving, you must give. So ọtụtụ ndị mmadụ ihe ha need the orientation for them to understand. Even the time of our forefathers, some will tell you, the of nowadays charge money. Our forefathers doesn't charge money. It's not true. Let me explain, because you don't understand how things work. My grandfather was a herbalist. Ọ na-esiri ọgwụ ịbịa ka ịbịa buru ọgwụ na bie, ị ga-eji ụfọdụ ihe wee bịa, ị ga-eji ọjị bịa, ị ga-eji nkwụ wee bịa, si ya nna anyị nee onenecha ọ bụrụ ihe ọ ga-eme, o wee gwa gị oke na ya ga-esiri gị ọgwụ ụbọchị dị etu a gị bịa, i werekwa ụfọ adị agba aka afụ nwata eze n'ọnụ, ijirikwa ihe aka ururu wee bịa, ma ọ bụ nọọsụ gị wetara ya nnekwu ọcha ma ọ bụ oke ọkpa ọcha, ma ọ bụ sị weta nka ma ọ weta nka, ọ gwaghị ihe ndị ga-eweta iwere ya bịa, ọ sịghị ọrụ chazielu gị ọrụ gị bịa ije ekene. Ọnya kpatara ndị dibịa ji eme ihe a na-akpọ ime agwụ. Gịnị wụ ime agwụ? Ime agwụ bụ mgbe a na-atụ anya na ndị niile agwụ ya nyere aka ha wee nweta nke a ma ọ bụ nke ọzọ ga-abịa for gratitude. Ị ghọtara ya? Mgbe ahụ when we are living in the same community. So ụbọchị m na-eme agwụ, atụrụ m anya na ndị niile agwụ m mere ihe ga-abịa nye ekene. Mana today, we are no longer living in secular state. Etu anyị si ebigbo, a na-apụzi ọrụ oyibo. How can you expect someone in US that na nna arụrụ ya ọrụ, ma somebody nọ na Abuja na arụrụ ya ọrụ? So ọrụ mgbe m ji eme agwụ na iwu na ọ ga-esi America felu bịa wee bịara m mmemme agwụ ma onye na Abuja na ọ ya bịara m? No. So what they normally do is that mgbe onye a na-akpụ isi akpụ afụ ọnụ, o nwere ike mgbe ị na-achaji onye a n'ọrụ, itinye what will make you to be happy doing the work, tinye a little bit allowance, so that ọ bụgoro na onye ahụ abịarọzi subsequently bịanye special thanksgiving, you are not holding any grudges against the person. The person have done ihe gị na-ekwuru. Onye abatara mgbe ị na-achaji mmadụ, egwu ya ihe ọ ga-abụ enye gị, obi adịghị mma, gota materials, nwekwazie gị eji wee mesara aka na charge na na charge. So the same thing, were ụdọ ma ya ewu na were ewu ma ya ụdọ bụ the same thing. Ndị nna anyị ha lụrụ ụlọ based on their own time, ihe na-ewu mgbe a. Ọ bụrụ na ya grand own father alụtara ụlọ, my own grandfather lụtara ụlọ based on ihe na-ewu mgbe anwa, because my grandfather bụ a wine tapper na-alụ dibịa. O nwere ego na-enyekwu ndị mmadụ loan. So gịnị ka m na-ekwu maka ya? O nwere ka ị ga-esi wee pụta si na ndị mgbe a dara ogbenye is not true. O nwere some wealthy people na-alụ ọrụ mmụọ that those days no like 7 wives. They are rich men. So stop ịgwa ụmụ ịda akpọdo history chinana. So nwere ihe dịka na-adị enye kịta akụ ụfọdụ ndị mmadụ ụtọ da ha ghọtara ọdịnala ọfụma, ha na-eche eki na si na ndị believe si na ndị ọdịnala mgbe a dara ogbenye. Onye gwara ihe a na-eyuzu mgbe a bụ ihe no invoke that time. So ihe m na-ekwu bụ onye nwere agwụ bụ onye nwere agwụ, weda ma ọ na-alụ asị pastọ, ọ na-alụ asị fada, ọ na-alụ asị dibịa. Kama ihe m na-ekwu bụ onye ọbụla na-alụ ọrụ agwụ nọ n'ihu ọrịa na-alụ ọrụ akpọrọ ya, onwe ihe a ya emeri esi ma erie o ji akwụnye nchi maka nchi ya dị arị elu. So ihe m na-ekwu bụ ọ bụrụ na onye nwere agwụ bụ pastọ na-agba moto, onye nwekwara agwụ bụ dibịa ya gba ọkwụọ moto, maka na ihe onye lụtara So ụfọdụ ndị ọdịnala nwere negative concept na ha ama donate maka evangelization. They are all gotten it wrong because agbara aka atụ ihe na-ata alụ. Ọ bụghị ha na chọrọ propagation, you must spend money. So ụfọdụ ndị ọdịnala should learn. Ụfọdụ n'ime anyị amalugo ọnya batara nji wee nwee my channel Eziokwu TV ji bụrụ only channel, satellite channel ọdịnala. Yes, because I'm the power of propagating. So ọ bụrụ na ị chọrọ ịgbasa ozi ọdịnala, you will be ready to spend money iji gbasa ozi maka na ndị a butere ụka anyarị spend kwara ego, and not because na na-akọwara ha over and over time ha mata uru ọbala we donate. So I believe kwara m na etu anyị na-propagate mara dịka m na-propagate na-agwa ndị mmadụ the importance of giving, because givers never lack. Then with time most of them will understand. But my administration, propagation, administration is not limited to Ndodana. It's for general public.
Will your administration also focus on training those who are called?
Yes, we are already planning that. Currently, we have some trend that pass through our mentorship currently in the temple. However, we have larger mission to build bigger school for the Aborolo Agazu Zunozori Chicha. Like currently we have a large land we bought in Enugu State where we build place of worship, where we build Eze-Ana and even hospital and rest of them. So we have large vision. So our vision is that we can train on the Mande Garona Research Institute whereby Ghana have Basari here Basanum Brogon and Pai here. Do up Taifan or Wagi you and us on the madam. So our mission Buna I can train on the madam. No did chicha.
Is almsgiving and charity part of your vision?
Yes, almsgiving and charity is part of the vision. In fact, it's a part of the vision of any called one. Because in what they keep up almsgiving and charity from called ones. I won't even know again this empathy of help when they not in need. And onye ga-abịa abịakwute gị ifu na problem onye abụrụ all about health challenge or spiritual challenge. He need the physical challenge. He ga-eri. So he ga-eme will create a onye dị to amara ebe ọ dị good at support to ya ka o nwee ike inwe something doing. So it's all about talent hunting. So we help people to develop their calling and their strength and gift. Na nke a bụ ofu nke bụ na-achọ ka nkọwa abụ na ọ bụrụ na ndị mmadụ matacha ihe ndị mmadụ nwere ị na-enye aka nwe ndị ga-abịa problem ọ bụrụ nni nwe ndị ga-abịa ọ bụrụ na ihe ha na-etowo seed money iji wee start up their business and whatever you help them. So in our administration we have a department known and called Ugochi Tubel Foundation. Under foundation, believe in me, we have people that are schooling under our care up to secondary school. Yes, and we keep on accommodating more. Then we still have all the less privileged included to even the widows and everything. So we keep accommodating more people based on available resources. So, but what I can tell you is that whenever we charge you for work, we put some little money for charity. Because some of you will ask me where will I normally get money to finance those things. What we normally do is that once we charge you, there is a little percentage we take from that money to help you do for charity. Because we know that most of you don't value charity. So know that whenever we are doing work for you, little money from it goes to evangelism. Yes, it's there from there we get money to support Eziokwu TV. Then some percentage go for charity. That is why. So we are trying to manage available resources to help propagate and help the charity on behalf of anyone we are working for. Thank you.
If people do not follow your vision, will you feel disappointed?
Yeah, thank you for that wonderful question. Definitely, the Omumwano have already given me a mandate. And they have already assured me that this project and mandate will be massive. So whether it will go fly or not is not even the question, because I know it must fly. Reason being that if you are following my antecedents, you see that failure is not even in my history. Failure is not even in my vision at all, because I have never tried anything on earth that fails. Because why? Before I dive into anything, I must be compelled to do it by Omomo. So he who called me will never let me down. Omomo and the Boromo will always back me. And once they set the goals, they already told me where I will be in the next 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 years to come, and even more. So whether I will succeed in this vision and mandate is sure. Yes, it's sure bet 100%. So because Omomo already have already called other people. I have not achieved it alone, but they already started, calling upon other people that will join me for us to take our people, the Igbo race and Africa in general, from point A to point B. So success is our second name. What I can assure you is that we never fail. And the more na ndị mmadụ. My own is to be used as a vessel. I'm only person in the hands of the Creator. Yes, I already been on the where they want me to be. Kick the ball, keep the ball rolling. Then they are the one that will go and touch souls. So anybody that he touches, he doesn't have any choice than to follow. Yes, so that is it. So I know no more game. Now because many years ago I had a vision when I was asking them where I will go and which way to follow. They told me that I should remember that I'm an ancient high priest. Now, one particular day, I saw this vision. Some days later, my sister, that is a called one too, called me, brother, that he saw me and the same vision. What happened is that initially I didn't even know that I would go to this point. But that particular day, I saw myself in a gathering, in an like open outreach. When I saw myself there, I was putting on a priest attire. I was like crowd are many. I was like blessing people. When I woke up, I said, "What is the meaning of this? What is the meaning of this? I can't become a reverend father because I'm already married. So why would I be seeing myself in a priest attire?" And I was like, I'm already an Dibia. Now, what concern of Dibia in talking to crowd and blessing them in the name of Chukwuoke? I had this voice that this name Chukwuoke Purimi is the name Agejime wonders. Now this name Kageji were taught to them Madanamo. That is why I happen to be the first person Obuno when they use here now. Ne blessing Madonna Chukwuoke Purimi Henine. Ọtụtụ ndị dibịa na-aga ọfọ n'afọ ihe dị iche iche, but also mụnwa n'aha Chukwuoke pụrụ ime ihe na ha bụ na I was told that this name bụ aha ga-eji tọọ ọtụtụ ndị mmadụ na. Since that time I have been using n'aha Chukwuoke pụrụ ime ihe na. Ihe happened years back when I was told that a time will come when my priest will begin to manifest in the form of outreach. So, and they told me that time is now. That's why we laid the foundation for the place of Chukwuoke Premi in the place of worship. Thank you.
What have you put in motion to help you achieve your goals of awakening Igbo consciousness, and which media platforms did you intend to use?
Yeah, thank you. Before now, I was even asking when I answered my call. I came back from Abuja. I asked them finally that I'm here. They told me that I should know that I'm called to be a priest and an evangelist. I should take note of that. That from creation, that I'm an ancient high priest. That with time, everything will begin to manifest. I now ask them, how will I be able to achieve that? That is the one they now gave me, is that now my chi now appeared and told me that he, my chi, get to Bemugo. By going forward, that my spiritual name should be Ugochi Tube. That is where the name came from. Now, after that, they now told me that I will achieve a lot. And I said, okay, since I'm called as a priest and an evangelist, that's why from day one, you will not see me where I put in zoo or even acting as just ordinary leader. No, you will not see me. My ways are clean, because My ways are well explicitly explained from from the beginning. Now, when I now ask them, what will I do? How will I be able to convince people and tell the people that I was sent? I now told me that I have had all the things I need. That is one of the reasons why they allow me to travel to India to follow them to the temple and to learn a lot, understudy their way of worship. During that time when I came back, I used to speak Hindi. Then I was told that I should make use of all my social media experiences to deliver my message to the Africans and the Igbos in general. Now I asked them what to do. I was told that I already have the advantage and the knowledge in social media of a thing. So first of all, I started with YouTube and Facebook. But at that time I was so dedicated with YouTube than Facebook. That's why in YouTube I am doing well more in YouTube than Facebook. So I started that. And at a certain time, I have this vision that I should open a television to be able to carry other people, because there is other millions of followers that are there in their various homes, but they don't have access to internet, like the mamas, the papas, and even the young ones that do watch televisions on social media. And at the same time, I had this vision that since Nollywood is part of the method they use to bastardize Igbo spirituality, that I should go into Nollywood to correct some certain impression. That is when I created Ugochi to a movie production. As you all know, I'm a registered movie director. So I created this movie aspect, and we begin to produce some quality Nigerian movies to correct some wrong impressions given to Eze-Ana. Yes. So while we are doing that, they are now got another message that I should go and open a satellite television. That satellite television is those television channels you will see. You are not paying anything monthly via strong televisions. Then you'll be watching other churches like Choosing, Name Them, Ebuko Bidem, and all those known church in Nigeria has their own television channel. And that is where we open our own. So if you see, I've seen all the list of television channels, these religious programs, you will see Ezioku TV. Ezioku belongs to the temple. Ezioku TV belongs to the temple. In Ezioku TV is an outreach for us to be telling people about Igbo spirituality and entertain them with our Nollywood movies for legalization. So what am I saying in essence is this. We have all the platforms, name them the television, the social medias, and now we are building, because before now we are doing our administration via online. Now we are building physical and the first place of worship in the way that the place of worship we consider all the facts and everything you need to know about Igbo spirituality all in one, in modern day, and to suit the modern day realities. It will be second to none. We have not witnessed something, place of worship that will be to this standard. We are planning to build this. Maybe you have seen the pictures, and we are going to stick with it and make it come even finer than what you saw in that D3 Photoshop. Thank you.
So I noticed you believe in prayers, but some Odinala practitioners don't. Does prayer really work?
Thank you for that wonderful question. That is what makes the difference. Like I told you, I'm an ancient high priest. Some of these ordinary people don't even have the in-depth knowledge of how things work. They thought they are coming to Ordinana to wage war with Christianity, which is not the truth, which is not how it should be. The truth of the matter is that we have various keys in creation. Yes. I will explain this as a knowledgeable person in esoteric and spiritual matters. Look, we have various keys in creation. Enwere key that Saraka will open. Enwere key that prayers will open. Enwere keys that sacrifices will open. Whether it's white sacrifice or blood sacrifice. And remember, then were white and blood altar. Enwere keys of Saraka ịchụ aja dị iche iche we open. O nwere keys ịga ọfọ we open. So etu a ka esi nwee keys dị iche iche. So we are not leaving anything undone. We are using prayers because she cared in it better. We are using even the key of meditation, spiritual exercise. We can even fast. We use the key of fasting too. All these things. Ọ bụrụ na problem ị nwere bụ ihe niile ekpere ije na-achụ aja, it might not go until o nwere ihe ga na-eme gị inwe ike na-ekpe ekpere wara ihe niile saraka. Like ọ bụrụ na ị mụtara ejima ma ọdada, keep doing saraka very often. Yes, it break yoke. So ụfọdụ ndị Igbo ịma na ihe wee ebe onye madebere. Ụfọdụ some new adherents to Igbo spirituality ebe ha madebere bụ sije ọjị tọọjị gbuo anụ rie anụ. That is the ends. Mana ha marọ what you don't know remains a mystery to you and not to all. I can tell you as a spiritualist that he can in a better. Mana enwere some certain things. In Igbo spirituality, we are using all the keys. Obo na I encounter with you, I malo ebe your problems. Your problem or here got solved by even I were seminar training. Yes, and what key well on the model key need or counseling key needed. Your problem or counseling when they will counseling can need it. Abroad DJ men come up cause. Ikponya malo financial prudent. Keriko se manage ege. Obonye na walota 1 naira or 2 naira. Onwe cause non da motion eme manoga in a ribegi patanon. Umu ihe na ka ine so mari help problem onye. We require the right key. Put the right key, the right code. So gede kan na-ekwu maka ya. Na anyị kwenyere na ekpere maka na Chukwu bụ mmụọ. So o nwere problem mmadụ ga-enwe, anyị chọpụta problem gị amara ka a ga-esikwa gị bụ onye ukwu. So ike dị na ekpere. So in our administration, we use the power of prayers. We use power of counseling. We use power of consultation, prophetic ministration to minister to you and propagation. So we use all the keys. So ike dị na ekpere. Onye ọbụla na-asị na ike adọ na ekpere maka na ọ bụ onye ọdịnala does not understand how things work. Maybe he's one of these fanatics that believe that the only thing he can talk about ọdịnala to promote ọdịnala is attacking Christianity. Who does that? Or attacking any other religion. Live a exemplary life by keeping nsọ. Then allow others the freedom of expression for them to understand, because he might hear well a convincing ọdịnala. Then allow other people to see the reason why they should turn back to their root. That's what we are propagating, because I believe, however, we put every method in checks and see the most suitable for what we are doing and what we want to achieve. So we pray. I pray. I and my God, I make spiritual exercise. I make all those things in it. Amen.
Viewers all over the world, we have come to an end of today's edition of Philosophy and Life. If you have any question based on today's teaching, kindly drop it on the comment section or DM Ogbuefi Eze-Ana with the WhatsApp number showing on your screen right now. For more inquiries and deep consultation, you can still DM him with the same number. Ogbuefi is nice having you here today. Thank you for your time. Before we go, any advice for our viewers?
Viewers all over the world, keep following us. Keep sharing our messages. Kine menka kachukwu okike pụrụ ime ihe niile. Gozie gị ma gozie gị.